the shortest path from node 1 to all the nodes, sorry, in the graph shown in the figure 3 using Dijikra's algorithm. Such a questions will face in the exams, finding the shortest path. Okay, finding the shortest path. Now, whatever the graph shown in front of you, it is a weighted, unweighted, directed, undirected. What is it? Yes,
Directed, weighted, directed,
directed. Yes, weighted
weighted.
because weights are shown on each edge, right? And directed because you can find there is a arrows on the edges. Okay, there are arrows on the all the edges. So it is, we can say that if arrow direction is from 1 to 2, then there will not be any edge from 2 to 1. Okay, 2 to 1, only 1 to 2 edge will be present, but there will not be a edge from 2 to 1. So what is asked, you have to find a shortest path from node 1 to all the other nodes. This is important. From node 1 means this is your first node, and from this node you have to find out the shortest path. Okay, let's see. Okay, now for this given graph, what we will do, we have to find out the shortest path from the node 1. Okay, so we will check it with the help of a table. The same kind of a table that we have seen in the Prim's algorithm. Fine. So we will just list out the node numbers first. Okay, which are the node numbers? This is a 1, 2, then 3. How many nodes are there? How many nodes are there?
6.
6 nodes are there. Okay, 6 nodes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have noted it down. Okay, why we are just mentioning this? So that we will come to know what are the previous weights we have initialized to all. Okay, so again on this side also, 1, I'm mentioning all the vertices because we have to update the weights in each iteration, right? 4, 5, and 6. Fine. Now we have to find out the distance from node 1. Okay, distances of all the other nodes from node 1. So what is the distance of 1 from 1? What is the distance
0.
of 1 from 1? It is 0 actually. Okay, so it is
Dash.
0. Those zeros we will represent with the help of the dashes. Okay, now this is my starting node. Now, can you tell me which are the adjacent of node 1?
2, 6.
Which are the adjacent of node 1? Right, 2 and 6. Fine, 2 and 6. Now, what is the distance of node 1 from 2? Or distance
3.
between 1 and 2?
3.
1 and 2 is 3, right? So, I will write here 3. What is the distance between 1 and 3?
Dash.
Distance,
10.
huh?
Infinity, infinity.
Yes, initially we will write it infinity. For what about 4?
Infinity, infinity.
Same.
But 5.
Those which are not adjacent, their cost or weights will be infinity. What about 1 to 6?
5.
What about 1 to 6? 5. Right.
मैम
So
ये
out of
प्रिम्स यूज कर रहे हैं क्या अभी
क्या?
वो बाद में अभी प्रिम्स कर रहे हैं ना हम यूज प्रिम्स algorithm algorithm
Yes, yes. Prim's algorithm, same kind of a logic is there, but here we have to update the weights by adding those particular values. Okay, we will see here and which vertices we have to choose. Same kind of logic is there. Now, out of these, now, which one is the minimum distance? Which one is the minimum?
3.
3 is minimum. So what we can say, we will move proceed now with the help of a 3. Okay, so 3 we have visited. Fine. Whose distance is 3. Okay, so this we have chosen. Fine. And his distance from starting node is 3. Okay, now next. Now we are at node 2. We are at node 2. Now we have to update these weights, okay, of all the remaining nodes from 1 but via 2. Okay. distance of all the remaining nodes from one node via 2. Okay. Now let's see. Fine. 2, 1. What it will be? It will be dash. 2, 2, dash. What about distance between 2 and 3? What about distance between 2 and 3?
7. 7.
Yes, 7.
10.
Distance between 2 and 3 is 7.
10.
Yes.
Via बोले ना. So
Yes,
7 plus 3.
via 2. Because 2 we have already selected right now. है ना? In previous case, we have selected a 2. See, I will write here which vertex. Okay. Which vertex we have selected here? The 2 vertex we have selected. So I cannot write 7 here. This thing we have done in the Prim's algorithm, right? We used to write 7 here in the Prim's, but now here you need to write a 10 instead. Why 10? Because we are interested in finding out the distances from node 1 and not node 2. Okay, we are finding the distance from node 1 via 2 in this case. So we need to write a 10 because this 7 will get added to the weight or cost of the 2 from 1. So it is already 3. So here you can write a 10. Next, distance from 2 to 4. 2 to 4?
Infinity.
Yes, infinity. 2 to 5?
Infinity.
2 to 5, infinity. 2 to 6?
13.
2 to 6. Now,
1, 3. 1, 3.
1, 3. Oh, okay, distance between 2 to 6 is, as per the diagram, we can see that 2 to 6 is already 10 there, right? Here it is a 10. And distance of 2 from 1 is 3. So if you go to 6 via 2, it is 13. But we already know that you can go to 6 directly from 1 and its distance is 5. So is there any need to update it? Its initial value here, it is 5. So you have to keep it 5 only. Right? You cannot update it to 13 because that 13 means for this 6 node going from 1, it is 6, 5, distance is 5, and growing from 1 via 2, it is 13. So which route you will prefer? Direct route from 1 or route via 2? Direct route from 1, right?
हाँ.
समझ में आया क्या ये कंसेप्ट? हमने 13 नहीं किया क्योंकि 5 इज ऑलरेडी लेस, मतलब 6 का जो डिस्टेंस है वो 1 से 5 है और 2 से वाया 2 10 है, 13 है. So we will by default choose the farthest, which is the shortest path or minimum distance. Fine. So now from these given values, now which one is the minimum? Which one is the minimum?
5. 6th node, 5th. 5, 8.
Okay, right. Vertex is the 6th vertex and its distance is 5, right? So node is the 6th, so we will go here. But distance of the 6 is 5 only. Yeah? This line should not be there. Okay, because this distance is from the 1 only. Fine. So now which vertex we are selecting? A 6. We have selected a 6 vertex. Same thing you can do also from the 3. Okay, 3. Now here distance of 3 and 3, this everything will be dash because all are already visited. Which one is visited now here? 6 is visited, whose distance is 5 we have taken. Fine. Now distance of 3 from 3, this will be dash and this will be dash also. Okay. Now here, tell me, what will be the thing? Distance of 3 to 3 again dash. 3 and 4. Distance of 3 and 4. देखो 3 किधर है? इधर है, right? 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Distance is 5. Can you write 5 directly?
मैम वो वाया कैसे वो नहीं मालूम ना।
Okay, can you directly go to this node directly?
नो पहले
No.
6 करते
Okay,
हैं।
right? Because yes, first as we have taken it from 6, so first we will go to the sixth node. So from this sixth node, now we have to choose its adjacent ones, right? We have to choose its adjacent one because we have to keep that continuity. Okay, so if we directly jump to 3, if in this sequence, because we don't know what is the minimum distance up to 3 that we have selected, then we can update the remaining bits. Okay, so we will go to 6. So 6 from 1, we will not what is the 6 from 1? It is actually in an infinity. This one will be dash and this one will be dash. Now distance between 6 and 3, distance between 6 and 3,
11 नो
6 and 3,
13
hmm?
13
13.
हाँ
Why?
वो 1 से 6 तक गए 6 से 3
Okay, if you take this 6, okay, if you take this 6 and its adjacent, which are its adjacent? Adjacents are 3, 4. Okay, 5 is not adjacent. Okay, so if you go to 3, its distance you can check, it is a 13, right? It is a 13 distance. But if you take 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Yes, here it is a 10, na? Wait. Here there will not be a dash. Fine. Okay. Now you can check here distance of 3 via 6. What is the distance of 3 via 6?
13
13 is there, right? 8 plus 5, 13 is there. But what is the previous distance present here? What is the
that's
previous distance present here?
10
10. Okay. If previous shortest path up to 3 is 10 and a new path length is 30, so which one we will keep?
10
10, right? So where is that 10? 10 is via 2,
2
right? 10 is via 2. So we will keep the 10 as it is. We will not update it, right? Now distance between 6 and 4. Distance between 6 and 4.
7
Right, 7. And what is the previous value? Infinity is there. So we will update it as a 7, right? Distance between 6 and 5. Now tell me. Yes,
मैडम वो
distance.
नहीं मालूम क्योंकि वो इसके तरफ पॉइंट कर रहे हैं
Yes. Why? Because there is no link from 6 to 5. We have a link from 5 to 6, but no link from 6 to 5. So what we can say here?
infinity
Infinity. So distance is infinity, and previously that value was also an infinity, right? And 6 to 6 dash is there. Now out of these value, which one you will select?
fourth node weight 7 vertex
Yes.
4 weight
Yes,
7
vertex 4 and whose no distance will be 7. So 2, 6, 4 and its distance is 7. So next node you can select is the 4, right? 4, 1, this one. Okay, and distance will be 7. So simultaneously we need to write the minimum distance too. You can make one more column and you can write here distance or the cost. So vertex 2, what is the distance? Vertex 2, what is the minimum distance? 3.
infinity 3
3. For vertex 6, what is the minimum distance?
5
5. For vertex 4, what is the minimum distance?
dash
7. 7, right? Now next we came to fourth node. Okay. So this is dash, this one is dash, this fourth is dash, this 5 is dash. Which two values you have to update now? 3 and 5. Okay. So what is the distance between 4 and 3? Yes,
10
distance
लिखना
between. Huh?
10 लिखने का वो पॉसिबल नहीं है उसके
Possible
पहले
nahi hai. Right, right. So we can write a 10 here. Okay. And what is the distance between 4 and 5?
7 plus 6 13
Yes, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 7, 13. So out of these two, which one you can select?
Vertex 3, weight
Vertex 3 and distance 10. Okay, vertex 3 and distance 10. So we came here, here dash, right? Now tell me, distance between 3 and 4.
मैडम
Distance between,
अभी वाया कैसे
हो
जाने
गया,
का?
हो गया. हाँ?
अभी वाया कैसे जाने का?
Means,
हाँ नहीं
कहाँ पे?
मेरे को कंफ्यूज हुआ था 4 to 3 गए हम तो फिर वो डायरेक्शन अलग है ना उसका 4 की तरफ पॉइंट नहीं अभी समझ
नहीं,
आया
हाँ. Okay, now from 3 to 5. From 3 to 5. Yes? 3 to 5. See, 1 we have selected, 2 गया, 3 हो गया, 4 हो गया, 5. Sorry, 3 हो गया, right? So 3 का हमने vertex 3 select किया. 3 का distance कौन सा आएगा? 5, एक ही बचा ना, 5th वाला. So 3 to 5. What is the distance between 3 to 5?
11 आएगा क्या मैम?
Yes, 11, right? Because the distance of 3, 3 का 10 है ना, so उसमें एक add हो गया, so it will be an 11, right? So 11 and that is the 5th vertex and distance is 11. Fine. So here we have completed all the vertices. These are the vertices, right? And these are their distances. So what we want as our final result, we want these values. The distance of 0 to 2 is 3. Distance of 0 to 6 is 5. Sorry, 1 to 6 is 5. Distance between 1 to 4 is 7. Distance between 1 to 3 is 10. And 1 to 5 is 11. So these are the shortest path to the respective vertex from node